Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another investing $1 in Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 753. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every single day. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the tutorials and experiments on the channel. There's hundreds of Cash App videos. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. So Bitcoin currently at $47,612, down over 6% today. Looking kind of rough, but I think it's okay. It's just a small correction. Down about 13% on the week, still up 56% on the month. So when you think times are bad, you still gotta remember how much it's up over the past 30 days and up 447% over the past year. So my total holdings, $4,061. Let's scroll down here, see if we have any news. Bitcoin price falls below 45,000. Kraken said to be raising new funding at over $10 billion valuation. Oh, I also saw that Coinbase was filing for an IPO. So Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, could be coming to the stock market, and we could be able to purchase some Coinbase stock if that's something we decide to invest in. You know, I do the stocks over here a little bit as well. You can just toggle back and forth with these tabs up at the top of the screen. So nothing major in the news today. Bitcoin owned 0.085236669. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added a little bit more Bitcoin. Tap done. Let's go ahead and scroll down and see my balance, 0.085255703. So slowly building our balance there. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,072. 4,072 divided by 753 days equals a 5.4x on our investment, so doing really well. What this means is for every dollar that I've put into the experiment, I now have $5.40. So that's all for today. I'm definitely not stressing too much on the Bitcoin price. I think it's just a healthy correction for this bull market that we're in. I could even see it going lower, something like 42,000. And bouncing. So I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see. Just gonna keep dollar cost averaging, buying my $1 a day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below, let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.